If Microsoft Edge is showing error code 20170, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes you can try to get Edge working properly again. We'll clear browsing data, check your Edge settings from Control Panel, and then reset Edge if needed. These steps are quick, beginner-friendly, and often fix the issue without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge and click the three dots in the top right corner of the browser. From the menu, go to Settings. Once you're in Settings, look for the option that lets you clear browsing data. You can usually find this under Privacy, Search, and Services. Select Clear Browsing Data, then choose what you want to remove. For this fix, make sure you select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. These two options are important because corrupted cookies or old cached files can sometimes cause browser errors like this one. After selecting those options, choose the time range. If you want the most complete refresh, select All Time, then click Clear Now. This may sign you out of some websites, but that's completely normal. Once the process finishes, close and reopen Edge to see if the error is gone. If the issue is still there, the next step is to go to Control Panel and change Microsoft Edge. To do this, open the Start menu and search for Control Panel. Open it, then look for Programs or uninstall a program depending on your view. Find Microsoft Edge in the list and click on it. If you see a change option, open it and follow any available repair or modify prompts. On some systems, this can help refresh the Edge installation and fix broken browser files. After that, go back to Microsoft Edge itself and reset the browser settings. Open Edge, click the three dots again and go to Settings, then find Reset Settings. Choose Restore Settings to their default values. This will reset things like your startup page, search engine, pinned tabs, and some browser preferences, but it usually does not remove your favorites, history, or saved passwords. Confirm the reset and allow Edge to complete the process. Once the reset is done, restart your computer if needed, then open Edge again and test it. In many cases, clearing cookies and cache, repairing Edge from Control Panel, and resetting the browser settings is enough to fix error code 20170. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple Windows and browser fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.